You are at a grocery store. You can't find what you need. You want to ask for help, but no words come. Don't worry, after this video, you will know what to say. Today, you'll follow Lori and Alex on their weekend grocery trip. You will hear how they shop, talk about food, ask for help, and pay. You'll also learn some useful shopping tips. Here's your question before we start. Alex needs help in the store. What does he say? Listen and write your answer in the comments below. Let's go.
Hey, pause the game. We need to go to the grocery store.
Right now, I'm having fun.
We don't have much food left. Come check the fridge.
The fridge is fine. I got some food yesterday. We have enough.
Come to the kitchen and say that again.
Okay, that's pretty empty.
1 egg and some ketchup.
I didn't check. I just thought we had enough.
We were busy all week, so we didn't go shopping.
All right, let's go. Give me 5 minutes.
I already made the shopping list. We can check it in the car. Okay, let's start with the fruit and vegetables. We need tomatoes, onions, spinach, and apples.
I see the apples right here. These look really fresh. I'll take some.
Hey, wait, don't take those.
Why not? They look fine to me.
They usually keep the fresh ones in the back. The ones in the front are older.
Oh, I never thought about that.
Try the ones in the back. They are newer.
These apples feel firmer, and the color is better too.
This works for most fruit, not just apples.
Good tip. I won't take the front ones again.
Useful tips. Real conversations. If you want to learn English like this, subscribe for more stories.
All right, next we need bread, tomatoes, and milk.
Where are the tomatoes?
I think somewhere in the middle. Let's check the signs.
It's aisle 5 this way. Oh, wait, this pasta is on sale.
Let me see. The regular price is $4, but now it's only $3.
That's good. I'll take 2.
Good. We eat pasta a lot, but don't buy too much.
2 bags. I know. Let's keep going.
Okay, milk. Where's the Greenfield milk?
Which one is that?
Green label, small cow on the front. We always buy that brand.
I see some green labels, but none of them look like Greenfield.
Let me check over there. It's not here. I don't see it anywhere.
Maybe they don't have it today. Let's ask someone. Excuse me, could you help us find something? We're looking for Greenfield milk. We can't find it on the shelf.
Sure, let me check for you. We don't have it right now.
Do you know when it will come back?
Probably Monday. That's when we get new milk.
Okay, thank you.
Of course. Can I help you with anything else?
Actually, do you have something like Greenfield?
Hillside Farm is really popular. Many people like it. It's right here on this shelf.
Perfect. Let's try it. Thanks a lot.
No problem. Have a good day.
I've never tried Hillside Farm before.
She said many people like it. And it's here now. Greenfield isn't.
I don't like trying a new brand if I don't know the taste.
Lori, it's milk. I'm pretty sure it's fine.
You always say that, and then you complain later.
I promise I won't complain. Let's just grab it and go.
Okay, but if it tastes weird, you're going back.
Deal.
Last few things: eggs, orange juice, and snacks.
I think I saw the eggs near the entrance. We can grab those on the way to checkout.
Check the date on the box to make sure they're fresh.
Will do. For orange juice, where is that?
The fresh kind is here in the dairy section. Bottled juice is in aisle 3.
Is the fresh one worth it? It's a lot more expensive.
It tastes much better, but you can keep it for about 5 days. You can keep the bottled one longer.
Let's get the fresh one. We'll drink it fast.
Okay, I think that's everything on the list.
Finally, this cart is getting heavy.
Hi there. Did you find everything okay today?
Yes, thanks. We found everything we needed.
Great. Do you have a rewards card?
We don't actually.
No worries. Any coupons today?
No, not today.
Okay. Your total is $42.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Tap or put your card in when you're ready.
Done.
Perfect. Here's your receipt. Have a great weekend.
Thanks, you too. Not bad. We got everything in under an hour.
Almost everything. We forgot coffee again.
We forget coffee every time. Why is it never on the list?
Because every time I start the list, you tell me we don't need to go.
Okay, that's true. I'll write it down right now so we don't forget next week.
I don't think you will.
Hey, the hillside milk is probably great.
We'll see when we get home.
Ha ha. I said we had enough food this morning.
And yet, 1 egg and some ketchup.
I was wrong.
Next Saturday, we're going before you play your game.
Deal. And this time, I'll check the fridge first. That is the end of our story today. Lori and Alex did their weekly grocery shopping and made it home with a full cart. And now you know exactly what to say at a grocery store, too. Watch this video again and try to say the sentences out loud. The more you say them, the easier they become. Now, your turn. Imagine you are at a grocery store and you need help finding something. Write one sentence you would say to a staff member in the comments below. For example, "Excuse me, could you help me find the eggs?" I will read every comment and reply to you in English. If this video helped you, please give it a like. And subscribe to Talkory English for more slow and easy stories. Thank you for watching. See you next time.